In case you forgot your username or password or both, you can reset your username and password by yourself. For resetting your username and password, go to DIU BLC, click on Login, and then click on Forgot Password. Type your email address, click search. If you have given the correct email address, an email have been sent to you. If you can't find any email in inbox, make sure you check in spam. The email will include your username and a link to reset your password. Make sure you remember your username correctly. Click on the link to reset your password. This link is valid for 30 minutes from the time this request was first requested. Type your password correctly. And then click Save Change.